Hey, what's up you guys? It's Vivian from the Paper Letter blog and I'm here today with a new Papergang box. I'll be unboxing it here live on camera and I'm very excited. Hope you are too. I don't really know how to describe the theme for this month. I don't know, it's something like California motel. I don't know, let's just open it and then we will see. This month's paper cutout is make a parrot. Don't really see how this is going to be a parrot, but obviously I never make them, so how would I know? Oh yes, I always love that they have different colors of this wrapping paper because I reuse it for my mail. So I'm glad that this month has a pink theme. Oh, there's something big in here. Let's see. This. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Whoa. Okay, so let me just start with what I see first. We have a washi tape. It clearly has the design that's on the box and on everything else on there. See if I can open it for you. Okay, so washi tape, sticker sheets. Oh, I love sticker sheets. Quickly open it up for you. It's just four the same, but they have quite a cute design. I don't really know what the dinosaur is doing there though. Is it on the box? No, it's not. I think it's on the washi tape, but I don't really know, yeah, where they got the dinosaur from. Anyway, I'll show you the stickers. Hello. Okay. Then we have a pencil. Again, it says road trip plans. I'm not a really big fan because we've had pencils quite a lot of times and I don't really use pencils, but I do like that the eraser is black, so maybe I can gift it to someone else. Sorry for my cat. Oh, this is so annoying. And then we have a pin, a car pin, which I think is very cute. And my cat is back. And then obviously the main part of this box is this notepad, which has my week, doodles, notes and to-do. Last but not least, we have the little monthly overview card that I can use in my bullet journal. I think everything is in pounds again. I have no idea what that means. Okay, one time A4 desk pad, $7.95. The washi tape is $2.50. The pack of stickers. Nice. Are we done?
Yes.
First it's my cat, then it's my boyfriend. Anyway, where was I? Pack of stickers, $3.95. The pencil is just $0.95 and the pin is $5.95 actually. Yes, so about this box, I have to say I really like the stickers, I love the washi tape, I like the pin, but overall, to be real honest, it's not really my style. Also because I use a bullet journal, I don't know if I will be using this notepad, but I'm hoping I can gift it to someone who does actually really like it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram and whatnot. All the links will be in the description down below. I also have a little link to the Papergang subscription. This is not sponsored or anything, but if I get but if people subscribe via my link, I do get I think for every 2 persons that subscribe via my link, I get 1 free box. So for me, it would be great if you would click my link, but it's not sponsored or anything. Okay, bye bye.